Afternoon, Brendan from Starpoint Astrologers. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday, the week that was. Well, we've got a pretty short, sharp update. A lot of the stuff is happening is the preparation for NEAF, so it's pretty boring. It's all administrative kind of work and preparing and getting everything in the right place. What else did we do? I worked on a little bit with Trinity College, working with their IT to make sure they're looking to redo the computer, so looking to move to the new software, new hardware. We need to try and get them closer to the actual mount. At the moment, they're on the next floor down. While USB 2 was great for that, a USB 3 doesn't like to travel 3 to 5 meters away via a cable. So working with Trinity on that one. I've been doing a little bit of work, once again, not much this week, but a little bit of work on the firmware with the Bluetooth LE. And yeah, just moving through to make sure that that's fine. What else? This weekend, I'm looking to jump back into the workshop. I've had a few weekends away. Obviously, we had the new moon weekend, and then I've had a couple weekends off after that. But get back into the workshop. I've got to finish off the off-axis guider. I needed some new tools, some new bits, some specific bits. I had a little bit of a whoopsie on one of mine tools, and I didn't have a spare one. I thought I had a spare one, but I didn't have a spare one, so it kind of held me up for a little bit. But I've now got those tools back, so I can finish the off-axis guider components. And I believe I'm going to kick off on doing the secondary mirror vane holding for the carbon fiber setup on the 10-inch f4 project. So slowly moving ahead on multiple different little projects at the moment, preparing, getting everything ready for NEAF. It's been pretty flat out all told, but just none of the fun stuff that I love to normally show you guys with me building and talking about. But we will get back to that, don't you worry. I've got so much to build, it is not even comprehensible how much there is to do. Well, till next time, I'll leave you with that thought, and hopefully you can do some astrophotography or astronomy in whatever flavour you so love to dabble in, and we'll catch up next Tuesday. All right, guys, see you then.